Hey guys, so today's video I created a coronavirus mask, DIY bling it yourself type of mask. Why not? So there's a lot of controversy. Wear a mask, don't wear a mask. Wear a mask, don't wear a mask. You know what? Everyone does whatever they feel like is good for them. And honestly, in some areas I feel better if I do wear a mask, just saying. So wearing a mask that looks like you're working, fixing a house or something is not so pretty. So me, if you watch my videos, you know that I like to bling everything. So that's exactly what I did today. I blinged out my mask. I did. This is it. Listen, it's a lot more interesting and it will grab, I think, a better attention than just like a boring old mask, right? So that's what I did. I blinged it out. And if you want to watch how I created this mask, then please keep watching because you can totally do it yourself as well, and it takes like 5 minutes. So this is my mask, an N95 type of mask. It's blank right now. I am going to use these crystal beads from Michaels. These are about $9.99. And also these type of beads also with AB effect. I forgot to mention the other ones are AB effect. These are also, I believe, $9.99. I've laid them on the table so it will be easier for me to pick up and choose which I want to glue. And I'll be gluing them with this E6000, of course, and using this toothpick to, So now I'm going to be using the pairs. I'll be adding them right below the round crystals. I'm just adding the E6000 on their back so I can directly glue them on the mask. So I have left a little space in between, so I'm taking the smallest crystals that I have and I'm just filling in the gaps in between. So this is what the mask looks like right now. So I'm taking my square crystals just because I don't want to have any gaps left. I want to fill out the mask entirely. I've also laid out the white AB crystals right there, as you can see, so any other small gaps I can fill those in. And obviously there are no rules. Your imagination can go wild here. This is your mask, you can do whatever you like. This is what mine turned out to be. As you can see, it's pretty full. I didn't want to overdo it so it wouldn't be too heavy. However, it is a little heavy, but yeah. And this is it in the sunlight. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to leave comments below with links to yours if you've done one as well. I would love to see them. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Sorry, I was about to say button. The notification bell below. See you next time. Bye.